Ni unyitaniri ria ubetwo gatagati ga thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru na andu a wendi mwega itanyitwo ni ari gutigirira ciana iria mathukuru-ini kaunti-ini no itinathĩnĩka nĩ wagi wa irio. Arutwo 300 nio matanyite gukorwo makigunika na uheani wa irio mathukuru-ini. Thukuru iria itanyite gwikirirwa ri thukuru iria icigo-ini iria hatiririku.
We identified children in a school where I was heading who are going hungry and sometimes very sick, and once we take them to hospital, you find out that they have missed 3 meals and they have gone 2 days without a meal.
We don't want to create a dependency, we want to create partnership and sustainability. So how do we do that? We bring parents on board, we see what do they need from us.
Gikundi kia Feeding Futures kuma bururi wa Ngeretha na kiria kinyitite itemi mubango-ini uyu ikagweta ikinya riri ta njira njega ya gutigirira arutwo matinaremererwo ni mathomo kumana na ng'aragu.
We have seen the result of this in the 2 other schools before. We have seen children increase in school, so access is improved, and then retention is also noted. And once we have retention, the discipline in school for well-fed children is obviously there.
Jason Githinji ni murugamiri munene wa gikundi giki riu akiuga ni magukorwo magikirira muno mitaratara ya uheani wa irio na ugima mwega wa mwiri hari arutwo ri mathukuru ma St Brendan's Primary mwena wa Turimolo na thukuru wa muthingi wa Mukinyei makigunika.
Because when they see their children eat in school a meal that they have not paid for, it gives them time to go and till the land and do other activities that are income generating, and this gives the children also time to stay well with their teachers in school, so they benefit academically.
They can be part of changing their own community, lifting themselves up out of a difficult situation.
Ono waciari aria ciana cio igunikite magakenerera mutaratara uyu na njira nene.
Na tumeanza kusoma mengi kuhusu ukulima. Ukienda kwa site utakuta tumeanza kufundishwa mambo ya ukuzaji wa chakula za chini, ili ambapo next time itakuwa ni wakati ambao na sisi tutajikuza.
Haduni ya Kameme TV, Letora Koni Bataru wa Mwagi.